Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. Now let's make some papaya ice cream with sea moss. This tasted so good that my family members were asking me to make some more. And I was like, yes, probably later, next week or so. Alright, so let's make this right now. So we put some milk in a saucepan. We add some brown sugar. We use half of the sugar now and leave the rest for later. And remember, the ingredients are listed down below in the description box. Alright, so we put this on the stove to warm up, and now we're going to work on our eggs. We're basically making a custard. It's kind of popular for persons to replace the custard with condensed milk, but we're not doing that. Alright, so right now we add the rest of the sugar that we said we're going to put down for later. And I love to use a custard because the eggs that we add in add more flavor and make it richer too. We add some vanilla for flavor, a little salt for balance, and some sea moss gel for flavor too. Alright, so how to make sea moss gel, I'll be placing a video link at the end of this video that shows you how to do it. Oh, the milk is warm, so we're going to scoop in just a little bit of that warm milk into the eggs, that the eggs can now become warm before putting it on direct intense heat, that we do not get any scrambled eggs. And we cook our custard for around 10 minutes on low heat. We're going to cover our custard and put it in the refrigerator to cool down. And we're back. It's cooled down. Now let's get our blender out, and in our blender we're going to add our frozen papaya. It's time to talk about this papaya. So 2 weeks ago I had this papaya that was dying on me, and I was like, yo, I need to find out what I can do with this. And then I had an amazing idea. Let's make some papaya ice cream. My mom used to put condensed milk over papaya and eat it, and so I was like, papaya and milk goes together, so yeah, ding ding ding. Alright, so I sliced up my papayas until they look like this, and then I throw them into a bag and I freeze them, and that's how I got my frozen papayas. Alright, so we add the papayas into the blender, we add our custard into the blender as well, and then we blend. Yes, we blend until it's smooth, and this is like a flavor bomb right there. So we're gonna get a huge bowl with some ice, sprinkle some salt over it. Hey, remember the salt and ice challenge like 10 years ago, how the salt actually brought down the temperature of the ice until it was really cold, until your hands were like freezer burnt. Anyway, don't do that challenge. So basically the salt keeps the ice really cold for us to make our ice cream. So we have our whipping cream or heavy cream into our bowl, and we whip it until it looks like this. Be careful not to make butter. At the base of my bowl, it started to harden a little bit, but I catched it right in time and I stopped. Now add our delicious papaya custard into our whipped cream, and we're just going to mix that together. Now remember, I said I had a little bit of hardening at the base. Just mix it good together. Yeah. Pop out my whisk that I can really bring these two together really good. The reason why we make ice cream at home is because we can make whatever flavor we like papaya ice cream today. Alright, so we're gonna put this in the freezer and freeze for 6 hours. And I have this whole bowl to myself. My daughter was sleeping. Alright, so I waited for 8 hours to try this. This is my first time making ice cream, and it came out pretty good. I'll be experimenting some more in the future with different fruits, different whatever. I topped with some guava sauce, which really brought out the papaya taste even more. Thanks for watching. As promised, how to make sea moss gel? The link is right there.